Well, I like it because they're informal, they're pretty casual, but at the same time, it's fun and exciting. You meet a lot of wonderful people. On average, there are 50 to 60 people, and you build relationships, and it's fun.
Actually, every time that you come to the group, well, there's no membership whatsoever or anything, but if you make it to the group at least 3 or 4 times, you get your chance to present. And today is my opportunity to tell everyone all about myself and how I got involved into jewelry.
And you can show your products too?
Absolutely. I have my collection with me.
I really have gotten a lot of business from it. A lot of business. I can't calculate the amount, but I've been to a lot of networking meetings and not even close. I've gotten a lot of business from this meeting.
Okay.
The neat thing is, you bring a referral in and you get a percentage off your breakfast.
When I first started coming, I came just to meet people and network and develop business contacts and see how other people were making their businesses successful. As a result of that, a lot of people in the group have done business with me. That was a really unexpected add-on.
The very first time I was here, I was just really amazed at the friendliness. I felt really welcomed, and the informal. It was very informal, which I really liked.
Highly recommend people come and at least check it out. It's every Tuesday at El Torito in Encinitas.